everyone, and so my name is Anshika Stoli, and today I'm standing here for telling you a story on the topic of one boy born in America. He was born in America, and after he became an adult, a teenager, he opened a store of a pizza store with his brother. The name of that store was Dominic's. Dominic's was opened in 1960, and his brother was supporting him a lot. But after few months, when he started selling pizzas and it was not going well, then his brother left him. He thought, why I would support him? I don't think it will go too much, and he just left him. After some time, but the name was that boy was Tom Monaghan. Tom Monaghan was too inspired. He was hunger for that success. He believed in himself and worked too hard for his dream. And after some time, in 1965, Domino's became Domino's, which we all are known of that. We know that Domino's is a very big company, a very well-known company. And we know that we have 95% of you guys have eaten the pizzas from Domino's. But I think 95% of you guys also don't know about the story of Tom Monaghan, the success story and all the struggles about him. And after some time, when he got success, a satisfactory money from his business, in 1973 he opened his first franchise in his own country, America. But after some time, in 1983, he opened a international franchise in Canada and then Australia in the same year. And look at today. Today he has opened at 20,000 stores worldwide, and 2,000 of stores are in India. Means 10% of Domino's is handled by our India. So do you think we should learn from him? Yeah, we should. We should learn from him, like how he doesn't have anything, no money, no house, and not even father. He lived in an orphanage and became a billionaire. When he can, why we couldn't? We could also be a billionaire, and anything we could achieve in our life. The thing we have to do is believe in ourselves. We can do anything, achieve anything. Thank you for giving me a precious time.